In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Whop in just a few simple steps. If you've been looking for a quick way to update your profile name, rebrand your account, or just clean up your online presence, this guide will walk you through the entire process. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you're on the home feed inside your Whop account. This is important because you want to start from the main dashboard before opening your profile settings. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open up your account options. Next, look for the gear icon located to the right of your profile name. This gear icon is what takes you into your account settings, so click it to continue. After that, you should see the settings panel open up. On the left sidebar, make sure you are on the Edit Profile tab. That's where all of your profile details are managed, including your username. Now move to the main section of the page and find the username text field. This is the box where you can enter your new username. Click inside the field and type the username you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure it's spelled correctly and that it reflects the name you actually want associated with your Whop account. Once your new username is entered, scroll down and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This final step is what confirms the update and applies your new username to your account. After saving, your Whop profile should now display the updated username. And that's it. You successfully changed your username on Whop. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now you can keep your profile name up to date whenever you need to. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Whop and software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.